Hi guys, Tyler here, and I just want to mention that the prices on Amazon for this product do change often, so make sure you check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. Now let's jump into the review. Today we're having a look at this end table. In this video, I want to go over some of the features that this end table has and also help you know what to expect when using this end table. Now, this end table features a wide top here, so you can actually go ahead and set or store a lot of different things up here on the end table. And then down below, we also have more storage space on the second shelf, and there's even a base shelf for a third section of storage space. And one of the reasons I absolutely love this end table is it actually has an outlet power strip built into the table. Now, this power strip actually comes built into the end table, and all we have to do is go ahead and plug this in. And now we have one of the most high-tech end tables I've ever seen, and we now have two outlets built into the end table, as well as two USB ports. Now, another great feature about this end table is these screw-in caps that go in the bottom of the legs. They are made of a hard plastic on the top, so it actually protects the ground when you're setting the table on a hard surface like that. Now, another purpose they actually have is to actually balance out the table. If you notice a small wobble in the table, you can go ahead and just screw one in a little bit more and unscrew another one to go ahead and offset that wobble and get a perfect balance of this table. And one last thing about this end table that I really like is that the cord is actually completely hidden up inside the table, as well as the backside of this plate cannot be seen. And they kept the cord in the corner so it can easily be run right along the leg and hidden out of the way. Overall, guys, I highly recommend this end table, and it makes it so nice with the added outlets and USB ports. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.